We're at the Dillards at Flatiron Crossing Mall, Broomfield, Colorado. We have an MT. I don't think I've seen an MT in a Dillards before, so that's cool. Hi. Here we go. Oh, lantern works on this one. Oh, it's got like the Beechwood and Florida Mall cap. Nice. Under leveled though. Got like a lot. It was a pretty nice motor. It's got 2 panels. Pretty neat. MT buttons. Very nice elevator. Pretty quick. Let's get one more round trip. Here we go. Here's the second floor. There's a lantern and a button. Alright. End on 1. Seriously, this is a nice elevator for a Dillard's. We're at 1. We'll end it here.